Welcome to Willow's World of DIY. I'm Willow, and today we're going to be unboxing and installing and reviewing a Arlo Pro 3 floodlight camera. Let's get to it. Comes with the camera. Charge cable. Battery pack. Installation mount. Power adapter. And that's it, besides the instructions. Alright, let's get to the install. Alright, I'm also going to be installing a solar panel to charge this. This is a solar panel I got. Let's get to it. This is where I'm installing the new floodlight. And I screwed the mount to this outdoor cover plate, junction box cover plate. And you don't have to install it this way. You can install it anywhere you want, but I chose to install it on this cover plate. I used 3 self-tapping screws instead of the supplied wood screws that it came with to install this. Now I'm installing the floodlight camera. There's 3 notches on the mount that you have to line up to get this to lock into place, and then you twist it in a clockwise rotation until it clicks, and then that's locked in, and then you tighten the Phillips head screw on the bottom. Now I'm adjusting the camera position. To loosen it, you just turn the base in a counterclockwise rotation, and then you can adjust it, and then you turn the base in a clockwise rotation to tighten it back up and lock it back into place. Now I'm removing the protective plastic that it comes with. I leave this on during the install just in case, so I don't scratch the camera or scratch anything else on it. I downloaded the app and connected it prior to installation. It's really simple. Just follow the instructions. It'll give you a QR code on your cell phone. You hold that QR code in front of the camera and it connects. Now I'm installing the mount for the solar panel. It's really simple to install. It's just 2 screws. I chose to mount it here directly above the floodlight camera, but it comes with 16 feet of wire, so you can install it within 16 feet wherever you want. This is just the spot that got the most sunlight, so that's where I chose to install it. Now I'm installing the solar panel. It just slides onto the mount and then clips into place. And then I connect it to the camera and I go check and see if it's charging. Now I'm adjusting the angle of the solar panel just to try to line it up with the sun. And there's 16 feet of wire here, and I don't want it all bundled up, so I wrap it around the mount several times until it's all short enough to reach the camera. I really like how simple this floodlight camera and solar panel are to install. You know, with this package together, you can install this almost anywhere as long as you get sunlight during the day to recharge the batteries. So far I haven't had a problem with either one of these products. The floodlight camera runs off the battery at nighttime, and then the solar panel charges it up during the day. And it charges back up to 100% capacity by 9 o'clock in the morning on most days. And this is the view that the camera sees on my cell phone. It sends you notifications when it detects any motions, and it tells you if that's a person or an animal or a vehicle. You can also turn on motion tracking, and it will track movement. So it'll zoom in and follow anything that's, you know, walking around, anybody that's walking around, or animal. I'm really happy with both of these products and how simple they were to install. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Thanks for watching Willow's World of DIY. Until next time.